The video you are watching is edited on my 10-year-old potato PC with only 6 GB RAM. In this video, I am going to show you how you can make your Premiere Pro 10x faster. So let's dive in. Proxies. For doing this, you must have the same version of Premiere Pro and Media Encoder. First, you have to open Premiere Pro. In Project window, select your videos and right-click. Then choose Proxy. Click on Create Proxies. Now in Preset, choose Pro Low Resolution Proxy and choose the format QuickTime. Then click OK. Now Media Encoder will be opened automatically and it will start creating your proxies. Now how do we work with these proxies? Well, go to Program Monitor and click the button editor. Then drag Toggle Proxies button next to the others and click OK. With this button, you can toggle between the proxies and the original video, and that should be a lot of faster. Delete cache files. Go to Edit and then click Preferences and then choose Media Cache. Once it opened, then click the Delete button. Make sure that unused cache is enabled. Then click OK. This will delete all the extra cache files that you didn't need. Now let's see what else we can do to increase Premiere's performance. Sometimes when working on big projects, you are not using half of the files. That will slow down Premiere Pro. But now don't worry, you can fix this in just few clicks. All you need to do is go to Edit menu on top and click Remove Unused, and the same thing counts for duplicates. They slow down your computer. To delete them, go to Edit and click Consolidate Duplicates. Allocate more RAM. For this, you have to go to Edit menu and then choose Preferences. Here you have to choose Memory, and then here you have to allocate maximum RAM to your Premiere Pro and minimum RAM to other applications. These were some of the tips that will make your Premiere Pro run 10x faster.